Hi everyone, welcome to STEMophile. I'm Imran Shah and today we'll learn about logical operators. These are very important operators and are used a lot in programming. Just like relational operators, the result of logical operators is always either 0 or 1. There are three logical operators: logical NOT, logical AND, and logical OR. Let's start with the logical AND operator. It's represented by two ampersands. Be careful not to write a single ampersand, as that is a bitwise operator and works differently. Logical operators work with values that are either true or false. The AND operator checks if both the left and right values are true. If both are true, it returns true. For example, if we write 1 and 1, it returns 1 because 1 represents true. Let's print it. You'll see that it prints 1. In programming, when an expression is evaluated, it is replaced with its result. This process is called returning a value. So, we say this expression returns 1. If one of the operands is false, the overall result becomes false. For example, 0 and 1 returns 0. Similarly, if both operands are false, the AND operator also returns false. To summarize, 1 and 1 returns 1. 1 and 0 returns 0. 0 and 1 returns 0. 0 and 0 returns 0. Its operands can also be relational expressions: 4 less than 5 and 3 greater than 2. In this case, there are three operators: two relational operators, less than and greater than, and one logical operator, AND. Which one is solved first? Let's check the precedence table. Relational operators have a higher precedence than the logical operators, so they are solved first. The associativity of relational operators is left to right. So the leftmost relational expression is solved first. 4 less than 5 is true, so it returns 1. 3 greater than 2 is true, so it also returns 1. Now the expression looks like this: 1 and 1. Since both operands are true, the result is true. Here's the truth table for the AND operator. True and true returns true. True and false returns false. False and true returns false. False and false returns false. If this confuses you, just remember, the AND operator only returns true if both values are true. Otherwise, it returns false. If we write 5 and 1, it also returns true. This is because every non-zero number is considered true. Only 0 is considered false. The next operator is the logical OR operator. It's represented by two vertical bars. Be careful not to write a single vertical bar, as that is a bitwise operator. The OR operator is similar to the AND operator, but with a one key difference. It returns true if at least one of the values is true. For example, 1 or 1 returns 1. 1 or 0 returns 1. 0 or 1 returns 1. 0 or 0 returns 0. Let's print 0 or 1. It prints 1 because at least one of the values is true. Here's the truth table for OR operator. True or true equals true. True or false equals true. False or true equals true. False or false equals false. So, what's the difference between AND operator and OR operator? The AND operator only returns true if both the values are true. The OR operator returns true if at least one value is true. And it only returns false if when both values are false. We can also combine AND and OR operators. For example, 1 and 1 or 0. In this expression, there are two operators, AND and OR. The AND operator has a higher precedence than the OR operator, so it is solved first. 1 and 1 returns 1. Now the expression becomes 1 or 0, which returns 1. The last logical operator is the NOT operator. It's represented by an exclamation mark. This is a unary operator, meaning it works with only one operand. All the operators we learned previously were binary operators, which means they required two operands. The NOT operator simply flips the truth value. Not true becomes false. Not false becomes true. Not 0 returns 1. Not 1 returns 0. Not 5 also returns 0 because 5 is a non-zero number, which is considered true. The NOT operator has a very high precedence, even higher than arithmetic and relational operators. If we write 5 greater than 2, it returns 1 because it's true. But if we write the NOT operator, it becomes false. Many of you might think it changes the truth value of the whole expression 5 greater than 2. It's not the case. It only changes the truth value of 5 because in not 5 greater than 2, there are two operators, not and greater than. The not operator has higher precedence, so it is solved first. Not 5 returns 0, and then the expression becomes 0 greater than 2, which returns false. If you want the not operator to apply to the whole expression, use parentheses. So it returns 1. Then not 1 becomes 0. Try solving these expressions. Write the answer in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to STEMophile. Share this video with your friends, write your feedback in the comments below, and press the notification bell to never miss an update. See you next time and happy coding!